Hi everybody. So today is the second day of our making masks for fighting coronavirus. So today we are trying a different material. We found that we have some extra pieces of unused cloth or cotton material. So we are going to make some colorful masks with it. We have made a template 8.5 inches by 6.5 inches. We cut it up and we're going to put it here and we're going to make those shapes up. So this is going to be, the blue color is going to be on the outside. It will have 3 layers. So there will be blue outside and inside there will be a flannel to give it some thickness. This is roughly 5 by 4.5 inches and that's going to be inside. And in the back we are going to put this white piece of cloth and we're going to make the white also the same size, 8.5 by 6.5, and then we are going to tie all of them together and then we'll go to the next step. Okay, keep watching. We made the masks using a different material. Yesterday we made it with using false. Today we made it using plain sheet of cotton material. So we used a blue and white for the back, and inside we used the same felt. And instead of sewing, we found it's easy to do it using glue gun. So it's pretty thick also. So it's probably going to give us enough protection. And it is washable too. We have already done the experiment yesterday. It's washable too. And finally made almost like 18 masks for the office and all my colleagues and some other friends. For making this entire project happen, I was extremely motivated by my wife and my daughter. They were behind me this entire project and they helped me a lot in each and every step of it. Thank you guys, and thanks for watching guys, and hope this one motivates you too, and you also make your own mask and protect yourself from coronavirus. Thanks for watching.